So first thing we do is multiply both equations by 20, so we can uh, eliminate the fractions. So after we multiply both equations by 20, I have minus 8x plus 5y equals 60, and we have 5x minus 8y equals negative 60. Then we can substitute um, we can solve for y on the first equation. So on the first equation, and we solve for y. So now we got a new system right here. So solve for y in the first equation. So we have y equals 60 plus 8x divided by 5. So I use this equation to solve for y, and then I can use a substitution and use a y right here. And so now I have 5x minus 8 times 60 plus 8x, and I divide this by 5, and this one is negative 60. So I multiply, and I have 5x minus 480 minus 64x over 5 equals to negative 60. So I continue right over here, and now I have 480 negative minus 64x, and then I move equals to 5 times negative 60 minus 5x. So now I have minus 480 minus 64x equals to minus 300 minus 25x. So I'm gonna move all the x's to one to the left side and all the numbers to the right side. So I have plus 480 plus 480 plus 25x plus 25x. So now on this side I have negative 39x, and on this side I have 180. Okay. So if I solve for x, I would have x equals minus 180 over 39. So I divide both by 3, and I have negative 60 over 13. So now I have x, and I can use this one actually in the same equation. So I'm going to do that on the same equation. So I have 5x, so 5 times minus 60 over 13 minus 8y equals negative 60. So now I have a negative 300 over 13 minus 8y equals negative 60. And so I move the 300 to the over 13 to the other side, so now I have 8 y negative equals 300 over 13 minus 60. Well, if I multiply 60 times 13, I have 780 over 13. So now I have negative 8y equals negative 480 over 13. And if I move the this one to the bottom, okay, I move this one to the bottom. Now I have y equals, so this one and this one, you divide them, so 480 divided by 8 is going to be 60 over 13. So these are my variables. X equals minus 60 over 13 and y equals 60 over 13.